y'all, Bear here. It's Tuesday, it's camp cooking time, and this week we're inspired by Christmas and the Feast of the Seven Fishes. So we're going to do shrimp. That's right. Got to do some seafood. Got a can of shrimp. We're going to do shrimp scampi to be specific. And so for that I got garlic, shallot, salt, pepper. I got some lemon, some parsley, some butter, some olive oil, a little piño. And I got noodles. You don't have to do noodles though. If you want to carb free it, you can just cook up the shrimp. So one thing we're going to do today is to make this a little bit more camp friendly. We're going to utilize some dried lemon in our sauce as we're making it, instead of having to tote a lemon with us and carry all of this out. Nobody wants to do that. So dried lemon, get rid of that, and let's cook. There we go, stove lighter. Woo, windy. Come on. Give me more gas. There she goes. So I don't know. We'll get a cup, a little over of water in there. Don't have to go crazy. We've already cooked the pasta. So I think for my lemon, what I'm going to do is take some of these dehydrated slices and I'm just going to bust out the middle part. Though you could use probably the zest here also. That would be a good thing to take along. If you had some dried zest, I don't know. You can put a lot of lemon in this guy. We'll do 4 slices there. Now we don't need the seeds. Get rid of seed. There we go. And yeah, look at there. We can just take and just kind of break these little wedges out. There we go. That's going to give us our lemon flavor in the pasta. I was gonna. This is a little bit of an experiment here. I don't know how it's going to come out. Hopefully it'll give us that lemon flavor instead of a squeeze. Boil action. Alright, noodles, get all the way in there. I'm using pasta this week that I've already cooked and dehydrated, and now we're rehydrating that pasta, so you don't need the same volume of water. Alright, so I'm just going to cover this up, set it off the heat, and we'll let that guy hydrate up. Alright, in with my extra virgin olive oil. I've got a good tablespoon of that. And my diced shallots and sliced garlic. Give that guy a little salt, a little pepper. And we just need these to soften up for about a minute. In the meantime, let's get our shrimp open. Here's what our shrimp looks like. We're just gonna wait and throw those in and warm them up at the end. They're already cooked. In with our piño. I got about a 1/4 cup today. Go ahead and get our lemon in, and we're just going to let that disintegrate in there. About a tablespoon of butter. Piño is reduced way down. Let's get the butter in, and now we start making the sauce. I'm going to put a little parsley in the sauce. You see there? See how it's kind of thickening up? And what we want is we want to get this thick enough where that just kind of stays for a minute. Well, not a minute, but you get the idea. You just want to thicken it up a little. Let's get our shrimps in and get them warmed up and flavored. Now I'm putting a little bit of that pasta water in there on purpose. That little bit of pasta water is going to work some magic. Ooh, our little fry pan is, whoa, pasta overboard. Our little fry pan is just big enough. Looks like our shrimp, our canned shrimp are breaking up in there. Be gentle with it. All right, let's plate up. Let's plate up. Quit playing around. Another little hint of parsley up on the top. In the wind. Well, there we go. There's shrimp scampi for camp. It's all ingredients you can carry off with you and don't have to be refrigerated. All right, let's see what we cooked here. I don't know. This is a complete experiment. I was just inspired by Christmas. There we go. Want a bite? Sauce. Oh, heck yeah. And that's a great trick with the lemon. The lemon flavor came right on through. I wish my little shrimp hadn't broke down, but there we go. It's Christmas, it's tasty, I'm gonna enjoy it, and we'll see you on the trail.